It's your 16th birthday, and
Hey,
guess
what's up?
What's the gift I brought? OnePlus Nord
Wait.
2T.
Okay, what is up, my guys? Today I'm showing you. Today is my birthday, and we have surprise. What the hell is this? A true surprise.
Woo!
Happy birthday, Apali. Make some good YouTube videos. Enjoy your gift from Aishwarya Apte. And there's a barcode. OnePlus Nord 2T. If you want this phone, go buy yourself. Okay. So we have this OnePlus Nord 2T, and we're gonna open this. Yes, yeah. Thank you, Dudu, for this gift. So we are going to open this OnePlus Nord. Cool. Okay, this. And we have the actual phone.
Whoa. Wow.
This is the actual phone. We'll take a look at that later. And this, you see, this is hidden. You can see cover, and this is a SIM remover. Okay, message from OnePlus. Membership card. Scan to claim your welcome benefits. Safety information. Quick start guide. Basically user manual. SIM remover. Oh, I forgot one thing.
And then
Stickers. Something I never saw in OnePlus 5T back then. Stickers. And then okay, we got the same charging brick, same as the last one, same cable, same as the last one. And here is the star of the show. It has two big cameras. This one is a big camera, one is another camera, and one is another camera, and one is DDR. Is it? That's just the same. This is torch. This is torch for camera. Hello. And let's start. So yeah. This is my phone, starting it up, and ending of our last video was completely fake. We were just saying, anything because we were nervous back then. Okay, so this mobile is Jade Fog, pretty nice color, and this we saw is a free cover, aka in our language secret cover. So we try to fit here. How does it look? Comment down below. this, my bro purchases this exclusively. It is completely transparent, unlike that one. You can see a bit of jade fog, but it is completely transparent, full plastic. Oh, not that smooth, but as you can see, it looks great. You can just pull it out. Okay, it looks good now. Does it look good? This looks good, or that one? Comment down below. Okay, so let's get down to real one. This is the main lock screen. Once we pull it out, there is a camera. There is a gestures thing. There's a gesture thing, as you can see. It looks nice. It has Netflix on it. It has GPay on it. It has podcasts. We didn't download anything yet. We haven't. So this is what. Let's go on to settings. About this processor has Dimensity 113,000. It is octa-core model CPH. Okay. And RAM is 12 GB, Android version is 12, and award Oxygen OS contributors. Device name Oneplus Nord 2 5G, such a long name, but we are gonna call it Oneplus Nord 2T. Storage is 21.8 GB used out of 2056 GB. It is out to date, and I guess that's it. So that's OnePlus Nord 2T 5G. Such a long name, and it's been 5 years since we did another OnePlus unboxing, but I feel like this one is better unboxing than that one because it has stickers and red cable cup. So yeah guys, subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one.